I want to talk about the journey of Patafile and the strides that we've made thus far. And this whole idea started when I was working in a busy law firm in Nairobi, and it was a bit hectic to manage the work processes. It was tough to manage the calendar events, the calendar dates for courts. Matters were falling through the cracks. Assignment of tasks was a nightmare. Looking for files in the law firm was a nightmare, and I kind of figured out there's got to be a more efficient way of doing this, and that's where Patafile was born. So as you can see today, I'm working from a restaurant. This is possible because I can access my entire practice at the touch of a button. Patafile helps you manage your matters, helps you track your calendar events, whether you have a mention, you have a judgment, you have an application hearing. It helps you manage your entire practice on the go. It also helps you manage your team. You can assign tasks from here. You could be also on the green shooting golf and you've assigned someone a task and the task is being done. You can track. Initially, it was very difficult, for instance, to know how much you've billed a client and how much your client has paid you thus far. But with Patafile, you can see you bill a client a certain amount, and over the time he has paid you a certain amount, and this is what's outstanding. You can track and chase your receivables in real time. So I mean, it helps any particular law firm run their practice a lot more efficiently. Whether you're a solo practitioner, whether you are a big law firm who's practiced for so many years, Patafile solves your legal practice problems. And one of the challenges that we saw in the market, in the space, was the solutions that were available were extremely overpriced, and they were charging in dollars because there were no local solutions. So they were extremely overpriced. The offering they were giving was also extremely technical and complicated. So lawyers were struggling to connect to such solutions. So here you have a solution that is extremely overpriced, and even the features or the functionality are extremely technical. So that made manual practice the only option for lawyers. So we figured that there's got to be a solution that is fairly priced and that is easy to use and that is affordable to anyone, whether you're starting out or you've been in the practice for a while, and that's how Patafile was born. So we have a number of clients now. We're almost hitting 20 law firms using this solution. And in the wake of the e-filing solution, then it becomes even more juicier to want to use this solution, because then you can have your entire matters online. You have the e-filing, you have the Microsoft Teams, and now you have Patafile. That combination of tools helps you run your practice from anywhere. You could be on holiday and you're still attending court, you're still attending to clients. Legal practice has never been easier than it is right now. I beseech anyone who's practicing, any advocate who's practicing, to try us out. We'll be rolling out free trials for whoever is willing to try us out and test, see if this is something that fits your needs. And I'm sure you'll be impressed about using this.